How to stream movies on Discord without any black screen. Hello everybody. If you want to stream movies on Discord from your PC but you're getting that annoying black screen, this is super common. So we can fix that properly by following up this step. So let's get started. So for that we can go to Discord on a device. For now I'm using the browser version. You can download the application as well. And if you're on PC, you can just go and refresh it. So you can press Ctrl+R in order to refresh it and also you need to update your graphics drive. So for that you can look out for Windows plus X and go to your devices manager, hit enter and update your graphics driver. If it's Nvidia, AMD, Intel, anything, you can just go over and look out for your display adapters, graphic drivers, right click on it, select option for update driver and search automatically for drivers or browse your computer for drivers and do it, because black screen often happens because Discord cannot capture your GPU properly. Also you can just go and use the right window capture. Do not share your entire screen if you have hardware acceleration on. So you can go to Discord for that. Let's head over to Discord and open it up and go to a voice channel and look out for screen share option. So for that you can head over to any of the voice channels here. For example, let's go to this voice channel and just go over and open it up and look out for share screen option and click on it. And once you go to share screen option, you can just go and select up a tab. You can choose a media player, a different media player available. You can either choose window or Chrome tab, not the entire screen, because that sometimes gets that issue. So you can just go over and follow that method and that should usually fix the black screen problem. You may follow this method for that. And apart from that, you can disable hardware acceleration. Discord sometimes has conflicts with GPU acceleration. So you can go to Discord and go to their settings. Go to settings of your Discord and open it up. And within your settings, what you can do is you can go to advanced option, look out for advanced section here. And within advanced, go to hardware acceleration and turn it off. So you can just go and follow out that method for that and restart your Discord. And that's it everybody. Those are probably the method you can follow out. Also you can adjust your Discord streaming settings and optional fix for Nvidia users. You can just go over and manage it up, and that should prevent the black screen caused by Discord trying to use the wrong GPU. And that's it. Usually you can follow out this method for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.